On November 27, 2025, clients from Hunan visited Guangzhou Hengde, focusing on the feasibility of building a lightweight block factory in Ukraine. Given Ukraine's scarcity of local sand and fly ash, Hengde's engineering team designed a production line with a daily output of 250 meters cubed, tailored to local raw material accessibility, market demand, and labor costs. They detailed workshop layout, staffing, installation timeline, and overseas after-sales support. In the production workshop, the client observed the full block cutting process, witnessed equipment precision and automation, and personally tested block strength and density with a hammer, approving the forming effect. This visit clarified the client's factory construction plan in Ukraine. Hengde continues to provide stable, efficient, and actionable turnkey solutions for lightweight wall material production lines to global clients.